Hi everybody, my name is Rob Dykema. We're here at SoundOff Signal, a leading manufacturer of LED warning lights based here in Hudsonville, Michigan in the USA, where our primary focus is to protect those who serve. Let's take a closer look at the Intersector series of lights from SoundOff Signal. This right here is the original Intersector light that SoundOff Signal came up with a couple years ago, and it was completely new to the industry. The reason that the Intersector light is different than some of the other lights that are out there is just the size and the shape and what it accomplishes. Let's take a closer look inside there. We've got 9 LEDs in the Intersector light, and this is the original here in my hands. The cool part about the Intersector light is instead of putting LEDs on a flat board and then using a lens to disperse the light, the Intersector light is the first light in the industry to actually create a circuit board that's in a semicircle, like a half moon, and it populates the LEDs on that semicircle. And then it uses a reflector to broadcast that light. What that allows this particular light to do, that separates it from the other lights in the industry, is that it gives you a full 180-degree light output, and it's at the exact same intensity for that full 180 degrees. Okay, so it's very small, very bright, and it accomplishes 180-degree light output at the same intensity. Very, very cool. This one right here, obviously the original Intersector was designed to mount underneath the exterior mirrors on the vehicle, the rear view mirrors per se. And there's a lot of different other applications that you could use for this particular light, and that is surface mounted on top of a push bumper. You can mount it under any flat surface, frankly, and also you can mount it on an angle if you wanted the light output to be on a vertical plane. Included with the original Intersector light, there's a series of different wedges. 0, 5 degree, 10 degree wedge, just in case you need to adjust the level of the light output. And also we have specific and custom brackets that'll work on any vehicle, whether you have a Crown Victoria, the new Police Interceptor, Chevrolet Caprice, any of the patrol package vehicles. We have wedges for those, and they can be ordered separately for ease of installation. The light itself comes out of the box with about an 18-inch wire lead to a little connector. Very important that this connector be used with this external flasher, because if you hook up the light without the connector, you're going to wreck the light. This is a completely sealed and watertight flasher unit that gets in line with the particular light. The cool thing about that, having this external, is that you can, this light's very small. You mount it underneath the mirror of the vehicle. Obviously running the wire through the mirrors can be somewhat difficult these days, so we've got very little wire, very small connections to make that easier for installation. And then the particular flasher here, this is going to go inside the door panel of the vehicle, and all you need to do from there is hook it up to 12 volts. You've got 33 different flash patterns built in. You've got power, ground, pattern select. It's a very simple install. These particular lights are completely waterproof and can be mounted on the interior or exterior of your vehicle. 5-year no-hassle warranty covers the entire product and the flasher unit. Because of the popularity of the Intersector light from SoundOff, we decided we wanted some more mounting applications, and we came up with the surface mount version. Now the surface mount version, in all intents and purposes, it's the same guts. As you can see here inside the light, you've got the same circuit board, 180 degree, half moon shape with 9 LEDs. And it's got the clear lens on the outside. The difference here is just mounting application. This particular light comes with a bezel, mounts over top of it. 2 screws mount this light to any flat surface, opening up a wide variety of options. You can put it on the push bumper, you can put it on a flat surface of a fender, you can put it on the rear deck of a vehicle. The side of the vehicle is a very effective way to put this light, because you can actually cover the front of the vehicle, the center of the vehicle, and the rear of the vehicle, all with one particular light head. Obviously we call it the Intersector light. A lot of accidents occur at the intersections for emergency vehicles, and this light will hopefully prevent some of that from happening. So let's light it up and take a look at it. Got the original version here. This one obviously is red in color. You can see it's extremely bright head on. If I turn this thing on a 90-degree angle, you can see the intensity is still almost 100%. I'm going to turn it back the other direction. You're going to see the intensity. You never really lose that intensity. You've got a full signal at 180 degrees, very small light head, very effective. This particular light is only available in solid colors. Trying to split the colors just wouldn't work because we have 9 LEDs to work with, and we want to make sure that signal is as intense as possible at 180 degrees of light output. You can see more of the technical specifications on the website or give us a call. And once again, thanks for watching.